tornado emergency for Jefferson and St. Louis counties in Missouri, and St. Clair and Madison counties in Illinois. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northern Jefferson County, eastern St. Louis County, northwestern St. Clair County, and central Madison counties until 9:46 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Otto, Missouri, or 9 miles southwest of Arnold, Missouri, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornado has a history of devastating damage in Washington and southern Jefferson counties. This is a tornado emergency for St. Louis and the surrounding areas, and St. Clair and Madison counties in Illinois. Hazard: deadly tornado that was confirmed by law enforcement and storm spotters, which reported damage that results in structures that are unrecognizable to survivors. If proper precautions are not met, death or serious injury will occur. This tornado will be near Arnold and Fenton at around 9:10 p.m., Oakville and Melville at 9:15 p.m., Sunset Hills, Afton, and LeMay at around 9:20 p.m., Webster Groves, Webster University, Brentwood, and Francis Park at around 9:25 p.m. Downtown St. Louis, Sauget, Missouri, and East St. Louis, Washington Park, Fairmont City, and Nashville City in Illinois at 9:30 p.m. Venice, Madison, Granite City, and Pontoon Beach at around 9:35 p.m. Glen Carbon, Maryville, and Edwardsville at 9:40 p.m. Other locations that may be impacted include Clayton, University City, Caseyville, and Collinsville. Repeating, a large and extremely dangerous and deadly tornado is on the ground. Take cover now to protect your life. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're out...
Tornado emergency for Jefferson and St. Louis counties in Missouri, and St. Clair and Madison counties in Illinois. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northern Jefferson County, eastern St. Louis County, northwestern St. Clair County, and central Madison County. At 9:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous